gotta change the build. This shit's not working. And I know we're gonna get slugged as soon as I take it off, but that's, I can't think about that. Maybe I'll do flashbang. And I'll do, we do bardic just to be cute. And then maybe we'll do plot twist. Why don't we meme around a little bit? All right, I'm gonna queue out. Let me just take out the rat. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna lobby Professor Pasta. Wait, Tabby, you got the watermelon from a creepy guy? What do you mean? You fixed your res? Oh, good. I'm glad. Oh, let me turn the camera off. Sorry, she's outside now. SLA doesn't have his number. I'm gonna harass him. Don't do that. Don't do that. I bought 2 watermelons. I'm gonna cut them up, but I have a feeling the gremlin will eat the whole other one. Really? Does the gremlin like watermelon? I hope so too. What's the weather like? I think it's a little bit warm at the moment, but I've got the aircon on. 41 degrees! Ah! Oh my god. Fuck that. I used to live somewhere very far north Queensland where it was 40 plus every day. Disgusting. Word band! What's my word band? What's my word band, bestie? Oh my god. It's a Wesker or Nemesis. It's a Wesker. Ah! Okay, I didn't stop my timer, so it's fine. Hold on. 5-minute timer. 5-minute timer. Starting right now. Okay, so MZ. Oh, for fuck's sake, I already went to say it. How does one how do I can't do this. No, I literally can't. I can't do it. That's too hard. No, I can't do it. Literally, I won't be able to speak the whole match. How do I do that? Pokemon in chat, everybody. Shut up, Reaper. You're trying to make me say it? I don't even need you to do that. I will just say it. How? Okay, I'll try again. Hold on. Let me restart. 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes. MZ is going to die. MZ in trouble. MZ in trouble. MZ is looping Wesker. Oh! I said is. That's okay.
It's not the letter, it's the word.
MZ is in trouble. How does MZ get out of this one? Oh. MZ went to drop the pallet, but MZ is bad at the game. MZ loves Steve. MZ loves Steve so much. Oh my god. MZ really cute. Wesker did not appreciate Steve's screams, but MZ thought that was so cute. Oh my god, MZ's in love with the Steve. Stop. Steve just screaming. How cute, right? Oh, MZ needs to buy Pokeballs. Someone remind MZ to buy Pokeballs. Is Wesker doing Adept? Reaper doesn't know. You're a rat. Do you know that? MZ is going for a spray / her bestie. MZ doesn't have to because Set just yeeted himself.
Nah, the killer let me off because nobody got me on the first roll.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
That is unlucky. Unlucky. MZ thinks that's karma for the current word ban that you put MZ through. So MZ doesn't feel bad for you.
MZ didn't come and get me.
MZ was in peril. What do you mean? MZ was on a hook herself. MZ was on hook. MZ was busy, okay? MZ is greeting palette because it's a good palette. MZ would rather take the hit. No, MZ just can't say the one word. But I can say is and I'm. But I'm just saying MZ. I'm using third person because it's easier. Oh! Wesker has a bigger brain than MZ. MZ loves that Steve so much. This Wesker's cute. 2 minutes left and MZ is free. MZ should message Joel to say that the rat is outside. Thank you. Where is Joel? Rat outside. MZ is almost free. 1:36. Ah! Bestie, where are you?
Getting a little bit of spray.
Okay. Ooh, that's a big 2-gen. We have to do Shack. Generator. Oops, sorry. MZ looked at chat. I don't know. Steve is just the cutest thing in the whole wide world. The cutest thing in the whole wide world. 45 seconds and MZ's free. You're hungry? Oh no, MZ fucked up. That's